Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a student, if you are a housewife, or if you are a job holder, and if you want to start your side hustle business in YouTube, so this video for you. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how you can create cartoon videos and then you can upload into your YouTube channel and you can make money. I will show you the real data analytics from the YouTubers that are already making money on online. It's the perfect time to start making money because we have AI tools. So AI tools will help us to generate the videos and the script and everything. So don't waste your time and stop scrolling. Just use your knowledge, use your time the best wisest so that you can make money. So how we can make money without doing work? So is this really possible, guys? I don't know how is it possible and I'm not doing anything like this. Why YouTube? YouTube is the second largest search engine. So we are spending lots of time on YouTube watching sports, different news or entertainment, movies. Okay. But we are not thinking about is there any chances to get money? And the answer is absolutely yes. You can make money. So I have created so many videos using AI. You can make money, like make $500 per day using AI video. And it's true, guys. It's happening. So watch this kind of videos that you want to be. So no more delay. So let's get started. First of all, I will show you some channels and their analytics, how they are making money. Hangover and total videos 528 videos and the subscribers number, total views, and the most important, the estimate revenue. It's a last 28 days. $1,000 to $3,000 in between they are making money. Okay, it's really great. So what they are making different kind of cartoon videos. If you visit their YouTube channel, you will find their complete videos and you will get understand, and you will find that their analytics, how they are making each and every single day. So once you create a video on and then you can making money, that's called a passive income. But you have to work, you have to find the best niche and tools, and then you have to spend good time to create this kind of videos. Okay, last 28 days, guys, it's a analytics. All right, so let's check the another account. It's called kids channel, cartoon videos for kids. So there is no boundary. If you want to create kids video, so you can create lots of content. Okay, so it's a kids video channel and videos total 2676 videos, and the estimated revenue is just insane, 29,280K per month last 28 days, and it's genuine results. It's called view stats. So if you visit this website and when you enter a channel name, you will find the analytics. Visit this website and enter your favorite YouTuber channel and you will find the analytics. And the third one is Cartoon Network Australia. So wherever you are, if you have internet, laptop or desktop, you can create your videos. Okay, estimated revenue last 28 days 23,000 to 66K, and it's green signal. That's mean the more estimated revenue than the last 28 days because they are making money because they got more views. Okay, and you will find the analytics over there. So let's find another YouTube channel. It's called Julia. So they got 2 million views and they are estimating a revenue is 4.6 to 12K. Okay, that's great. Let's find another. It's a 194 videos, like they are just starting, guys, and their subscriber is really great, and you'll find their stats is green signal. That's mean because they are getting less views, 10,000 less subscriber than last 28 days. It's happened, guys, because when you get more views then you can make money. So it's ups and down. Okay, so each and every day will not a good day. So that's why you will find the each and every single day and they are making money. Okay, I think the highest YouTube channel among 5, okay, Cartoon Network Australia, they are making the great money each and every single day. They are making over $1,000. Okay, so they are not single hand working. They have a team, they have a video editor, they have a voiceover artist. Okay, they have a YouTube manager. So it's not happen within a day night. Okay, so you have to start with 0 subscribers, 0 views and $0. That's the matter. Okay, and you have to definitely hard work and definitely smart work. Okay, guys, so far we have seen the so many YouTubers and so many YouTube, they got really great money. They are earning really great money. So it's time to making our videos. Okay, how we can produce this kind of videos. Okay, guys, so I'm just removing this kind of analytics, and then I will show you how you can really make, and for that we'll be using adobe.com. Okay, that's been express create animation. The number one step is character and audio. Pick a character, upload an audio file and record your dialogue. And the number two, customize. Preview your audio and animation, change the character or background as desired, and then continue editing. Then you can download. Okay guys, so let's get started with creating our first animation video. So let's click on create now. Alright guys, this is the second option where you can select your character. So I will show you each and every steps. Okay, so let's find the category. That's mean what type of categories do you want, like new, young people, professional, esports, music, food. So just choose your favorite character and then I'm going to select this. Okay, Noami. Let's click on background. So we have to change the background and then select the categories. Okay, you will find the different kind of categories over there: classroom, indoors. So let's click on indoors, and if I click on living room, also you can select the office. And sizes, so let's click on sizes. So right now it's a landscape, that's mean for perfect for YouTube. Also you can create for shorts video, that's mean reels or story or shorts video, or also you can create portrait, also create square, IGTV. So I'm going to select one, a landscape. Perfect. So it's time to create the audio. So far we have done our animate, but it's time to get the audio. So how you can find the audio? That means you have to upload the audio section. So you can upload MP3, AIF, WAV and MP4 files. So maximum 2 minutes. Okay. Also you can record your voice. Okay. So I'm going to show you how we can find the audio. So that we have to use ChatGPT. So first of all, we'll generate the text and then we'll convert it to audio. Write a 2 minutes motivational text for young students who wants to make money on online. Whatever you want, you can generate a poem or any motivational speech, or it's depend on your niche. So ChatGPT just starting writing, and I will copy the text and I will use AI tools that gonna generate text to audio. Okay, so stay tuned. I'm going to use a tools, it's called flexclip.com. So AI text to speech, and you can generate text to speech, any kind of voice, definitely AI voice. You can select female, male and UK, American, Australian and other languages as well as. Okay, click on AI text to speech and I'm going to copy the text from ChatGPT and then paste it here, and then click on generate and then click on download, and then finally upload the MP3 file into our Adobe Express file. Okay, so finally our video is ready. So let's play the video.
Success in the online world is within your reach, and it starts with belief in yourself. You might feel like you're too young, too inexperienced, or that the path is too hard, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. The internet is a vast playground, full of opportunities for those who dare to explore. Don't be afraid to start small. Whether it's through freelancing, creating content, or selling a product, every step forward is progress. Learn as much as you can, stay curious, and be willing to adapt. The digital world moves fast, and so can you. Embrace challenges as lessons, not obstacles. Success online requires consistency and resilience. There will be setbacks, but each one is a chance to grow stronger. Keep your goals in sight, and don't let temporary failures discourage you. Instead, let them fuel your determination.
And then if you want to download this video, just sign up with your Gmail account and then you can click on download. It will be downloaded into your account. Okay, so finally our video is downloaded. So if you love this content, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you get the videos very fastly. So no more today, I will come back with another new tutorials. So stay tuned, have a good day and see you in the next video.